Okay, so this session we'll be talking on the spindle speed. As I showed you before, we have two spindles basically. This is the horizontal spindle, this is the vertical spindle. Now the vertical spindle is what we will be using. Now the vertical spindle has got a quill movement, that is the forward movement and downward movement, which can be controlled by using this handle. Okay, if you rotate it, this spindle can move up and down. Okay, now to lock this lever is used. Okay, so this is your vertical spindle. Now inside this vertical spindle there is a drawbar. From the top, if you see, you will find a drawbar. Now the arbor is fixed through this point, and afterwards the cutter is mounted. Now you are using a BT40 arbor for this machine. Okay, now there are different bolts here. I hope what I am showing, these are bolts. Basically this is used, this is loosened, for the swivel motion. Now this head as such can be swiveled. Okay, now I will show you a different view. See, yeah, see, this is you can see the swivel reading which is shown here. Now once you loosen these screws, you can actually swivel this head. Okay, if you want to do a 45-degree chamfer on a workpiece, you can swivel it and lock it. Okay, but for normal machining application, the swivel action is not used. Okay, as I have shown before, this is basically the quill movement, the upward downward motion of the vertical spindle. This is for locking it. If you loosen it and you can rotate this wheel, the spindle will go up and down. I hope that is clear. Okay, now the next part is the spindle speeds, how to adjust the spindle speeds. Okay, now to control the vertical spindle speed, we have three levers here. Okay, the combinations and the speed chart is mentioned here. I hope the cursor shows you very well, so you can select what speeds is required for your job. Okay, similarly for the horizontal head, the spindle speed selection is done by using this single button. Now how this button works is, at the center you need to press. Now center there is a toggle button or a push button, you can say. Once you press it, the black, you see, there is this is the press button here. Then once that is pressed, you need to push, or sorry, pull this entire button backwards. Once that is done, you are in a position free to rotate this wheel. Okay, so first you need to press, then hold this area and you need to pull it back. Then you are in a you can rotate this to the desired speed you want. Now that's how this button is going to work. So this is basically for controlling the spinning speed of the horizontal head. Okay, so that's all about the spindle speed selection. Thank you.